Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're new here, you wouldn't know that recently my husband and I sold our very first house and have moved in to my parents' house. We're kind of taking over the house. We were gifted the house as long as my mom has a room here, so this is my childhood home, which is awesome. I'm so excited to raise my kids here as well, but the house needs a lot of work. It's a very old house, needs a lot of updates, needs a lot of cosmetic things as well as internal things. So I am very excited to bring you guys along on the whole journey from start to end. With that being said, today I'm going to walk you guys through the house and do a complete before, not only just to show you guys, but mainly for me, so one day I can look back and see all the work that we did. So with that being said, I'm going to turn you guys around and we are just going to walk through the house. I'm going to talk to you guys about what it looks like now and kind of share my plans on what we plan to do in the future, because I'm kind of interested to see how that all changes as well, but what we're planning right now. So let's get into this. Okay, so as of now, here is the porch. It looks okay from there, but as you see, the roof up here is sagging. The outside, the siding is all very dingy and old, and we have a lot of plans out here. Eventually, kind of long term, we would like to work on the inside first. We want to re-side the whole entire house, re-trim the whole house, all of that good stuff. As of now, I want to stick with white, but I want to go with black shutters and change up the porch a little bit as well. The ultimate goal would be one day to wrap it around the whole house completely. This little side here is my mom's, so that's her room right there, and that is like her porch. You can see that there's a division on the porch as well. So that's like just her little side, which is cool because she has her own little like house within the house now. So as we come up the porch, this is still all her stuff out here. I haven't touched the porch at all, and the inside, our stuff's kind of just all thrown around. So like there's your little warning there. But here is the porch as of now. Like I said, the ultimate dream would be to wrap it around one day, and that is my mom's side over there. But we have this little gate up so the dogs can hang out on the porch, and they have really been loving that because we had a small house before, so they've been really enjoying being able to be outside all the time. This house is so much bigger than our old house if you've been around for a while. So anyways, let's go ahead and enter the house. Change the door, of course, is in my plans. This door has been here for as long as I can remember. I would like to change that. Ultimately, I would actually like to make it into like double doors here. But anyways, so you enter into this room. You can see I'm getting ready to start painting actually right now. But this is kind of just like a little like sitting room, I guess you would say. Kitchen's there, and here is the living room. Toys all over currently. But so I don't have too many plans in here as of now. I want to paint everything, of course. We're getting ready to start painting currently. And then I want to change out all the trim because you can see behind me the trim on all of the windows and everything is like large like board that they just kind of cut and put up there. So I would like to actually put like, you know, legit trim around. And then I think my plan as of now is shiplap over here. I don't care if y'all say shiplap's out of trend. Shiplap has my heart still. So I would like to either shiplap here or board and bat in here because ultimately down the line I would like to do a built-in fireplace, and I'd probably want shiplap around the built-in fireplace. So over here, that door there goes into my mom's room. We're not going to go in there. You probably won't ever see in there really. So I would like to do some built-in hooks and cubbies and stuff over here for the kids to have like a drop space for their backpacks and everything. But as of now, we're just gonna paint and we will start doing projects down the road. So first we will walk this way into the kitchen. So here you see the before shots of the kitchen. So lots I want to do in here. So to start it off the cheap way, because we're gonna do things kind of the cheaper way first and then down the line do more extensive work. So as of now, I just want to paint the cabinets. I might add another cabinet back here where the open shelving is. but I might not. I'm not sure yet. So as of now, I just want to paint the cabinets, maybe add some shiplap around the window, change the open shelves to just different shelves, some backsplash. I would like to move the fridge over here and make this into another little pantry area, because as you can see, there's just not a whole lot of cupboard space, and that has been a challenge. Definitely change the light out, paint the trim, do things pretty cost effective in here, but down the line I would like to completely rip out this whole entire kitchen. Completely rip it out, completely renovate it. But for now, we're gonna do things the budget friendly way, and I'm so excited to share with you guys that, and then be able to share again down the line. So over here, there is this little pantry here that goes underneath the stairs. So this pantry is really hard because everything is like behind things. It's just very hard to decorate, and that's why, organize, and that's why I want another pantry. And then what I'll probably do is make this like the kids pantry, and then make over there more like cooking and stuff like that. Here is the laundry room. Right now there's these curtains that hang down on it, but I am doing laundry currently. So just, you know, basic in here, basic laundry room. This actually used to be a part of a room over here that I'm going to show you guys, but my parents did make this into a laundry room because the laundry used to be in the kitchen. So definitely want to redo in here, probably make it pretty similar to what my laundry room at the other house was. You know, shiplap shelves, that's kind of my vibe. Also though, I do like the whole board and batten with a wallpaper, which I think would be something fun to do in like the laundry room, where, you know, it's kind of like hidden crazy, because like in the living room areas I like it to be pretty cotton. So I don't know though, we'll see. I definitely want to put like a door or something here though, and not the curtains. And then walking into this room, this here is the dining room, which leads back to the living room. It is like a big circle around. So my mom actually had this room as the living room and that room as the dining room. I swapped them. But yeah, so here's just a little before shot of the dining room. Ultimate goal one day would be to completely change out the stairway, actually put railings and like a nice like stairway type thing. I'm going to paint the back parts and the what are those things called, dwindles or whatever. Those are going to be white, and then I'm going to stain the steps. Over here I want to do maybe like a faux brick, I'm thinking. So let me just say though, something very hard about this house is that it is so much bigger than my last house. My last house was only 1,066 square feet. I don't know how big this one is, but my whole house can fit in like the downstairs part of this house. So it's just a lot bigger. There's 5 bedrooms here compared to 3 tiny bedrooms at the other house. But there's like no storage here. There's a lot of windows, which makes it really hard decorating wise. Like I would love to do like a pretty like board and batten wall over here on this side, but the window makes it so this side over here is kind of hard to decorate. So I'm not fully sure yet what I want to do in this room, and I would love for you guys to put in the comments if you have any suggestions or anything as you see along the way. But I do know what I want to do is put a sliding barn door here. You can see I was ripping off wallpaper and stuff. I want to put a sliding barn door here that will enter into this room, which is going to be the kids' playroom slash our little gym area setup. So ignore the floors in here because we started staying with this gray that I thought was more of a brown, and then I realized it's very gray and I don't like it, so now we have to re-sand all of this and re-stain it, and we tested out other stains, so let's just ignore that for now. But yes, eventually this will be the kids' playroom, hangout room. I'm gonna get like a little couch and everything in here, and then our gym area is gonna be over here. This back door goes to where we put like the dogs area, which is really nice because we can just like let them out now, which we couldn't do before, and they are loving that. There's like, let me just go out there and show you guys real quick. We're still working on things, so let's ignore like, you know, this and everything. But you can see like down here in this little area here, the dogs have like a little doggy house built on right to the house, so that's really cool. That's what this area is gonna be used for. And then heading back in here. So then when you come out of the playroom, we enter back into the dining room, of course. And then these are the stairs to go upstairs. So we will head up there. First, the carpet, the green carpet my dad picked out years ago. Oh, I loathe this carpet, you guys. I can't wait to get rid of this carpet. Speaking of, let me tell you guys that main goal, long-term goal, is to completely replace the floors throughout the whole house. Because as you can see right here, 1, 2, 3. 3 different kinds of floor just in this little area. Actually 4. If I move this carpet so you guys can see the laundry room, okay? Okay, so right here in this one little area, 1, 2, 3, 4 different kinds of flooring. And I just want a nice flow of flooring throughout the whole house at one point in life. So anyways, back upstairs. Floyd and I have talked about shiplapping this whole wall, probably doing a few small woods home pictures or something right here, but then there's also this side, so I'm just not sure. Like I said, tell me what you guys think. Of course, to like light fixtures and stuff throughout the whole house, I want to change all those. Okay, so over here is our room, which is for real wild right now. So let's ignore. Everything's just been getting thrown into here as we've been moving in. But this is a really good sized room, but again, it's like a kind of oddly set up one. So over here for the closets, we want to do like sliding barn doors that will go both ways. And I probably want to shiplap a lot in here, I think. And then over here, I want to do like kind of like a little sitting area. And then we're going to set up Floyd's like video game station over here too. Because then he can play video games while I can watch TV still. It will work out for the both of us. But so this is our room. And then you come out to the hallway. To the bathroom. The bathroom of your nightmares. Like, am I right? Am I right? I'm sorry, Mom, if you're watching this, but what were you thinking with this color? She painted the cabinet and everything. All of it. So, okay, I look like a hot mess filming in a different time up here than I was down there. So, I want to rip out all of this. Obviously. Maybe not obviously to you, but obviously to me. I want to rip out all of this here, put in a new vanity, hopefully a double sink vanity, and hopefully we can find one that will fit this like perfectly. Do a new mirror, obviously paint the walls, shiplap all back here. We've already like pulled some things off, but we also have already been looking at like new baths. So I think we're just gonna go the easy route and get a bath with a wall that's already like all done, like the ones that look like they're nice subway tile ones and stuff. And then over here I want to take down this shelf here, put some floating shelves, you know, redo the floors. Look at these. Ugh, you guys, this bathroom is by far the worst room in my opinion. Definitely gonna be the most money and the most work. So I think that this is gonna be a winter project though. So here's the bathroom. And then this way. So down this hallway is the boys' rooms. They have separate rooms, but they're like conjoined rooms. So this one is Tristan's. We don't even have curtains yet, so let's just ignore all of this. And then this one is Braden's. He just had his cousins here. They destroyed stuff, so we did start to again pull down wallpaper. There's wallpaper everywhere, but we have to replace the ceilings in here. This fan, there's horses on there from when this was once my room. I was always a horse girl. So the fan is very old. Definitely lots of work to do in these rooms. Outside of the bathrooms, I would almost think that these ones are the next most work cosmetically, because again, we have to do the ceiling. The floors in here kind of like tilt this side of the house. So it's these two rooms, and then downstairs is my mom's room underneath this, and this side of the house was actually added on later on. And it's definitely like, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. Let me try to show you. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it definitely like tilts that way. Like you can tell as soon as you walk in here that it's not fully even. So there's just, again, a lot of work to be done in these rooms as well. But Brayden literally loves having his own room. He loves it. So he doesn't even care. He doesn't care what it looks like right now. So he's gonna be so pumped when we do get it done and make it look nice. But yeah, so then back in the hallway there is one other room right there. That's another room we're not gonna really ever be in. That is my niece Tessa's room. She does live with us as well part-time. She lives with us basically full-time in the summer, and then school part-time because she doesn't actually go to the school district, so she has to stay with her mom during that time. Oh, I did almost forget to show you guys right outside of the boys' room also is like this closet that can be a good linen closet once we do some work to it. So then here is Tessa's. And that is pretty much the tour of the inside of this house. Now maybe you guys see where I'm coming from when I say it's hard for me to film because there's just a lot to be done. But, you know, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, all of it. Maybe you're in the same position. Maybe it'll help you. Maybe this can be fun. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Fully just brought me some ice cream, so it's time to eat this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!